How to change language on Youku application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are in Youku and you want to change your display language setting in the app, then the process is quite easy. Launch open the Youku application on your device and go to the Me button at the bottom right corner, tap on it and click on Settings on the next page. Now under Others, tap on Language and choose a different language preference you want to change to. Now click on Confirm to switch the language in the app. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your display language on Youku. You can repeat the step and get back to the language of your preference whenever you want to change it again. So that's it. That is how you can easily change your display language setting in the Youku application using your mobile devices or tablets. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.